All of it, yeah. Yeah. Pretty cool. Can't wait for this. Ooh, shawarma. Ooh. But, yo, there's street food. There's street food.
Are you hungry now or later?
I don't know. Sky Rent.
Yo, this is awesome.
Pretty cool. Got a fair here. There's Sarah.
I was like, where are you going?
It's like, who you calling Sarah? No, we don't. Ang init, I can't wear it. We don't have to, right? It's not a must.
No,
It's not required po na. Okay. Yeah. Ang init po. Hindi ako makahinga. Wala pa po to. Oh. Grabe, no? Oh, may baba pa. Yung view. Oh, wow. Yo, what a view. Wow. Saan yung Taal po? Ayun, yun ba yung Taal?
Ayan! Ayan! Oo! Oo!
Yan po ba? Oh. One of those. Saan po yan? Yung pinakamalapit dito o yung pinakamalayo? Or buo yan? Oh. Wow. Can't do justice on this camera right now. Dang. Ganda po dito. Where are we going? Doon na po kayo, doon na po kayo, doon na po kayo. Okay. Palit po tayo after. Isa pa po, one more. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. One more. Thank you.
Salamin ko. Kaya salamin ko.
Wow.
Ganda.
Oh, what?
I just trying to scare you.
Oh. It's crazy. Ow.
Better viewpoints, probably low.
Up there? Oh, this is zip line?
This is cool though. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
nice.
Ano pong ano yan? Ano po yan? Yung town na yan? Bataan po yan?
Hindi Bataan.
Okay.
Ano Taal ba ito?
Batangas?
Taal Volcano, yung mga kanya.
Taal. Taal po yan. Someone's doing a zip line, look. Yo, that would be a good view.
Wow!
I might want to do that. I'm down. Do you want to do it?
Okay, let's do it then. Okay, walk.
Okay lang po? Ha?
Yeah, he wants to go on the ride.
I know.
He likes the empty ride. They're so
It's not recording.
famous Belgian waffles at Sky Ranch. So good.
Too good. Very too good. That one is so good too. Potato porridge. There's like a tender, juicy, what do you call that? Hot dog stand. Oh my god. And there's also Master Shawmai. We might go for that. This is what we're looking at right here. with Sarah's family. We're at Sky Ranch Tagaytay right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but whatever. That was good. That's what it's called. That was good. No, it's raspberry, I think, the one I tried. She tried the blueberry one.
So good. It's actually soft waffle, which is like different from what we usually have. But
Yeah,
really delicious.
too good. And for this one, we got the 3 flavor one. With like thing, the potato corner. That's good 3 flavor. We got 3 buckets of it.
We finished all the fries. It's almost like shaka fries.
Yeah.
So good, so good. What were the 3 flavors though?
I have no
Onion,
clue,
garlic
but
onion, cheddar cheese maybe,
yeah,
and barbecue.
something like that. It's too good. We were planning to eat dinner, so we'll see if that will happen soon. Anyways, we'll be right back. Oh, ito lang pala yung train, no? Ayan lang pala yung train. Yeah, that's the train. Sasakay sila. They're going in the ride. What's that ride called? Wonderfly. Beth, are you excited?
Yeah, let's do this.
So cute. Are you excited? She's shy. She's always shy. No. Oh no. Sarap ng tulog mo mamaya. Sarap ng tulog mo niyan mamaya. Enjoy. Thank you. Are you excited? Cute. Napilitan. So cute. Huh? It's gonna go. You're good. Have fun. I'm gonna go that way. One, 3, dalawang bata. 11 adults. Are you tired, bebe? We're now eating at Cabezera. How do you say it? Cabezera.
It looks like one of those
Whoa.
Cuban restaurants.
Yeah. Hopefully the food is not the same.
I think it'll be good.
Here's
Looks fancy.
Cabezera. Ooh! Got the place to ourselves. 13 tayo. Sa labas. Sa may view ko, may view. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Whoa. We're just going to Cabezera. Oh my. Whoa. Pwede kaya mag-drone dito?
Drone? Can ask her.
Tanong natin. Saan? Doon na lang sa yellow.
Saan yung gusto mo?
Yeah? Doon na. Yo, what? What? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the view. Wow. What a view.
First time namin din dito.
Ganda. Grabe.
Yung kabila kubo din siya. Yun din kami minsan.
Yeah. Tanong ko kaya. Itatanong ko. What? Oh. Ito yan.
Ito mo si Ate Sophie, oh. Name na si Ate Sophie. Name na si Ate Sophie, oh. Yung lang tawilis, no? Yes, po. Sanay dito lang
Ito?
sa tawilis mo.
Yes.
Miracle
Wow.
fish ang tawag nila.
Miracle fish? Dito lang yung
Walang
naka...
yan.
Ah.
Walang setup.
Cool, they get the same.
Yeah. Mirror.
Okay.
Anyone
Way
else?
too
Oh,
many.
sisig.
Crossovers?
Yes, please.
Sige.
Thank you.
Sisig. Thank you po.
Anybody else? Sanitizer?
Ako ka sa bag.
Let's eat. Do you wanna start describing the scene?
jeans.
It's actually really cold. Yeah. I told everyone not to bring jacket. Oops. Oops.
They were like, it won't be cold.
Nakatindig pa ako. Ako lang pala nakatindig.
Picture.
Catfish?
Yeah, catfish.
Oh, I never had catfish.
Right, kasi grill yan, nilagyan nila kalamansi yan. Saka tinimpla nila yan.
Catfish.
Saka fresh yan.
Hinuli pa naman.
Gawin niya na dito.
Carp.